Hi, my name is Devlin Stivers. I am the Senior Applications Engineer here at SM Magnetics, where I've worked here for 4 years. But just to walk through my journey, I got my degree in mechanical engineering, and I was fortunate enough to find SM. And starting out, I quickly realized that magnets are involved in so many different applications, and we work on projects that come from over 10 plus industries. So we have projects in consumer electronics and medical, where we're dealing with smaller magnets, and then we have industries like automotive and the pump industry, where we're working on more robust designs and bigger magnets. But yeah, overall it's been a great journey. I enjoy working here and have a lot of fun. Magnetics is an industry that involves a lot of different disciplines. So I utilize a lot of my skills in mechanical engineering, looking at force analysis, but also I had to wear different hats and look at different industries or different disciplines such as electrical engineering and material science to help in my career here at SM working with magnets. In magnetics, we use a lot of electrical principles where we magnetize magnets. We have large capacitors in our magnetizer that shoot voltage into our copper coils, creating a magnetic field and magnetizing our magnets. So there's a lot of electrical principles that I had to learn and understand to be effective in this field, as well as material science, because we'd like to understand what's going into our magnets, what affects them. So we may need to include more rare earth materials in order to drive up the coercivity so that you can prevent demagnetizing of your magnets. We do a lot of in-house assembly. We make a lot of torque couplings here in-house, and when we make them, we would like to test them out to make sure they're performing accurately and make sure our assembly went as expected. So in doing that, I was able to create a design where you're able to take your inner and your outer pieces of your torque coupling system, and one of them sits on a travel of linear guide rails, and it's able to slide in, and we are able to connect it to a torque gauge and test out if it's achieving the appropriate torque and that our assembly is functioning properly. Some other applications I've helped with hall box designs, making sure they're functioning properly, and I've designed a lot of fixturing to help assemble them, just to drives further flux density. Having that design and being able to understand it has been very helpful. Today, like I said, we work in over 10 different industries, so I'm able to look at different devices. In our medical devices, they use a lot of motors. We have simulation work where we can do FEA and make sure the magnets are functioning properly in the design and provide data to our customers to help them with their designs. We also have a full lab here at SM where we have a bunch of testing equipment for magnetics. We can test individual magnets with hysteresis, and we can test assemblies with mapping, just to make sure that our magnets are hitting the right flux density and amplitude, and we're providing our customers with what they are expecting. Fun fact about myself, I enjoy traveling and food, so I've gotten to travel a lot here with SM. We go to different conferences and different magnetic shows, and a lot of those have been either in California, Texas. We just went to one in Florida, and I also recently got to go to China, where I got to see a lot of our manufacturing capability and see our team there as well. And it's just been a really great experience. And then I also travel in my own time as well. So yeah, I would say I enjoy travel and eating good food on my vacations and work trips.